we're going to start the lesson. And first of all, I'm going to explain you the topic and what we're going to do. So the topic of our lesson today is the meanings of plants in Lithuanian folk songs, right? And for this particular lesson, we have a great objective, according to me. We will see what will happen at the end of the lesson. Marius, are you listening to me? Hi. So to compare and contrast the symbolic meanings of folk and contemporary songs. And today we are going to present the folk songs with plants, right? And those plants have some symbolic meaning, and we'll try to figure out whether contemporary songs have also some symbolic meaning or some other meaning to you, okay? So you are going to present your task, right? You had a week and a little bit, right, for the completion of the task in pairs. So let me remind you very shortly what you have to do, right? So you had to find a song, right, in the Lithuanian language, and what did you have to do with it?
Translate.
Okay, translate into English, and later on? Analyze it. Okay, what was important in the analysis?
The meaning of the plant.
The meaning of the plant that you had chosen right before. Anything else? Symbolic meaning. Anything else?
Where it grows, maybe?
Right.
Like the
Somewhere else.
That sounds amazing then. So we can start with the presentations, right? So we have the colors. Remember you had the color to choose, right?
I'm Rose, and I'm Gudas, and we are representing our project about the plant.
They often grow in line on light, well-drained, rather acidic soils. They are known as pioneer species, rapidly colonizing open ground.
Indications is it's used to treat kidney or bladder diseases, mouth inflammations, or it's used for acne, and it's used to treat eye diseases or drought and all of other things.
And here you can see the structure of this plant, and there's the string, the bracteal, the breath, and the bulb, and the liquid glands, which are filled with essential oil.
So it's a song. Sowed wind, sowed little lily, sowed my young days like green little. Sprouted mint, sprouted little lily, sprouted my young days like green little. Watered mint, watered little lily, watered my young days like green little. Withered mint, withered little lily, withered my young days like green little.
So what is this mysterious X?
Clover.
And in English?
Clover.
Clover. That's it. Thank you for your attention.
Talking about your presentations, so thank you very much. Again, on Wednesday, after all of you have presented, I will give you the feedback. That means I will comment on your presentations, okay? And today we're proceeding with our lesson because we still have to compare, right, the folk songs with the contemporary. And this is what your group work is going to be about. So please pay the attention to this board. So in the groups, right, we will arrange you in the groups of 5, right? 5. In the groups of 5. And you will have to answer the 3 following points. Can you see? Thomas, can you? Excellent. So, which plants are the most important to your group? So you will decide, right? You will compare your tables. Might be that some information in your tables, for example, is missing, so you can compare with your friends in group and finish it up, right? Afterwards, please discuss which plants are the most important to your particular group. And don't forget to comment why, right? Why is it so? Not simply, those are important. Then, what symbols and meanings do contemporary songs have? Modern songs, the ones that you are, enjoying nowadays. So which meanings do they have? Do they have any? So discuss this, please, and make some notes on that. And that after you have done, you will have to shortly present the results to the class as well, the group presentation. And you have big, paper sheets, so make use of them, right? You have some markers as well that Laura has given to you. Shh. And pay attention. Do you listen? Are you listening? Okay. You will have 12 minutes. Is it enough, you think?
No.
Make it 15? Yes. Can we do that? Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Do we have to choose one plant or three?
3, look in your table.
Yeah.
Number 3 is written. 3, right? 3.
Let's go.
A ja, może redziu.
As much as it was. But it is also important to mention the lyrics. So what things are then sang in nowadays Can I get everybody's attention, please? Can I get everybody's attention, please? Can I get everybody's attention, please? Thank you. Thank you. So who would like to be the volunteers to present their group work first? I think it is interesting.
Okay, so our 3 chosen plants were oak, hop, and fir.
Chose oak because it's a symbol of durability, foreverness, strength, long duration of life, and warmth.
So we chose poppy because of Remembrance Day on November 11th. Also, it is used in Christmas as a meal, like poppy milk. It's one of the traditional Christmas food. And also, it is used in sweet curd dessert with chocolate glaze.
So fir tree, also known as Christmas tree, is very related to Christmas, and we can't imagine our forest without fir tree.
And we chose all of these plants because we think these are the plants most important to the Lithuanians' history and the history of folk songs. These days the songs don't have a lot of meaning. They don't have as many symbols as they used to have. And compared to folk songs, they are not as symbolic, but they are pretty similar because they all talk about the daily life of people, humans. And we believe that the last time the plants were mentioned in Lithuanian pop culture in 90s. That's pretty much it.
And I still have one question. If you had to choose one, the most important plant that is a symbol of Lithuania, people of Lithuania, which one would you choose? Oak. Why?
Because it's
Good.
It's like
Cornelia.
Lithuania has always been like it's been like a huge country, and then it's like become smaller and smaller by the years, like during like a long time ago. But it's like it's still strong, even though we've had like a lot of enemies and a lot of people like trying to occupy Lithuania. So and it's like still strong and it's still standing, and yeah, so we should be proud.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Which plants
Are important to your culture.